Watch this video and learn how to draw an ice cream with 3 scoops.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hi, Artie. Very good to see you.
Yeah.
I bet you're excited to make some art today.
No,
What? You don't want to make art?
no one to make art.
Well, I'm lost for words, Artie.
Just kidding.
Oh, Artie.
Wow, Betty, look at all the little artists that are here today.
Welcome to the show, everyone!
You.
Okay, no more little jokes. Let's get on with the drawing. Let's start drawing a little black dot towards the top of the page on the left. Should we draw another eye to the right? Of course. So let's draw another little black circle just to the right of the first one. Very good. Now, let's draw an oval around the left eye. That's it, Artie.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush.
And a marker.
All right, Mikey. We're using a marker, don't you worry. We'll draw a little circle around the right eye. Let's draw another circle above the eyes. This is going to be the cherry on top of the ice cream. Yummy.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thanks for the advice, Louie. Okay, now let's draw the actual ice cream. A wavy shape on the left and another wavy shape on the right. Try and match them if you can, as closely as possible.
Mikey, do you like Artie's hair?
Yeah, orange is one of my favorite colors.
Mine too, Mikey. I love Artie's hair. Okay, let's draw some little half circles along the bottom. And that's our first scoop of ice cream done. 2 more scoops to go. Draw a little hook shape on the left and another one on the right. Now let's join those together with our little half circle shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can you tell what it's going to be, Betty?
Not yet.
Well, you guys like eating these, so I'm sure you'll recognize it soon. That's right, Artie. 2 more hook shapes, and then the little half circles along the bottom.
Oh, I'm under quick. Quick.
Cartoon break. Artie, let's go and find some things that are shaped like a cone.
Artie loves cones.
Artie, your favorite cone is an ice cream cone.
Hey, ice cream.
Artie, here's a safety construction cone.
Cone.
What is that over there by the bench?
Hat.
That's right, it's a cone-shaped birthday hat.
Birthday cone. Artie loves cones.
Oh, Artie, that's such good timing that you learnt about cones, because now we have to draw our ice cream cone. Come on, let's do it. We'll draw another little hook on the left and another one on the right. This is the top of our ice cream cone. Now, let's join those 2 together with a straight line across. Now let's do the cone part. Draw a straight line on the left, coming down at an angle. And another one on the right. That's it. And then connect the 2 at the bottom with a little half circle. Now, Artie, grab that thinner pen you were using earlier. The one there. That's it. Yeah. Now, we're going to do the cone crisscross shape with the thinner pen. Draw lots of lines at an angle.
Man, this is creative.
Artie is so talented.
Now we're going to draw more of those lines, but at the opposite angle, making a sort of crisscross shape. This is the pattern of the ice cream cone. I'll tell you what, Artie, this is already making me want an ice cream. Okay, what next? Oh, I know, yes, the mouth. Draw the mouth right there. A little curve. And draw a little tongue coming out of the mouth. That's it. That's funny. You've finished. Awesome, Artie. Colour it in now.
Man, I hope he uses all the colors.
I love color.
Great job, Artie. It looks so good now it's coloured. The pink and the blue and the yellow. Oh, and the red cherry on the top. Yummy. I want an ice cream now.
Perfect. I think that one's going on the fridge.
It's the best.
Artie, let's you and me go out and get some ice creams. We'll say goodbye to the little artists. Bye-bye. Bye.